Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, welcome to Ekeeda. Today we will see reciprocity and symmetry condition for inverse transmission parameters, which are called as A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash parameters. Here you can see I have drawn a two-port network which can be written with A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash parameters. These are all inverse transmission parameters. And now we want to prove reciprocity condition as well as symmetry condition. So let us go first for reciprocity condition. So what is reciprocity condition? Reciprocity condition is when suppose port number 2 is shorted, that voltage becomes 0, that is V2 equal to 0. So ratio of input voltage to output current. We will see it on diagram now. Now we will understand this by using diagram. So when port number 2 is shorted, V2 is 0 and input voltage is V1, which is equal to Vs. Whereas when port number 1 is shorted, V1 equal to 0 and anyway currents are as it is, and this becomes your source voltage, which is equal to V2. Now reciprocity condition is this V1, or we can say Vs. So the ratio of Vs divided by this current. Now what is this current? So this is voltage Vs, which is equal to V1 divided by this current, which is minus of I2. I will call this current as I2 dash. So this current is called as I2 dash, which is exactly minus of I2 because it's a opposite direction. Similarly, in this case, when port 1 is shorted, this voltage V1 is 0. This current is always I1. This is I2. So this current I am going to call as I1 dash, and which is exactly minus of I1. So in this case, I1 dash is equal to minus of I1. And in this case, in first case, I2 dash is minus of I2. Now reciprocity condition means this ratio Vs upon I2 dash should be exactly same as this Vs, or we can call it as V2 divided by I1 dash. So if these two ratios are same, we will say that yes, reciprocity condition is satisfied. So let's solve it. Now how to solve it? For that, whatever conditions that we have obtained here, these are to be substituted in A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash parameter equations. These equations are, or they can be obtained from this matrix, because when we expand this matrix, we will get equations for A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash parameters. So first we will write the equations and then we will substitute both the cases and get the ratio. So these are the equations for these parameters, and now this is the case which we will take first. That means port 2 is shorted, and these conditions which are V2 equal to 0 as well as V1 equal to Vs, this is what we are going to substitute in this equation. So let us substitute it. So when port 2 is shorted, V2 is 0, V1 is Vs, and I2 dash is minus of I2. So these three conditions we are going to substitute in these equations so that we get ratio of V1 or Vs divided by I2 dash. So this is the ratio that we want. So let us substitute the value. So after substituting the value, our equation 1 became A dash into V1 equal to B dash into I1. So we will again substitute this in equation number 2. Now what is equation number 2? This is our equation number 2 and this is our equation number 1. So this is equation 2 and let us substitute the same conditions. The conditions are V2 equal to 0, but there is no V2 term. I2 is there, so we can get I2 dash, and instead of V1 we can write Vs. Now the ratio that we want is Vs upon I2 dash. In this equation we have Vs, we have I2 dash, but there is I1 and that I1 is what we don't want. So from this equation we can substitute for I1. I1 will be A dash divided by B dash into V1, and this value of I1 can be substituted here. And we can solve it further. This Vs and V1 are same, so we can take Vs common. So this is what we get, and we can substitute or we can remove that negative sign. So this is after step number 1, and step number 1 is shorting port number 2. Now we'll go for step number 2, which is shorting port number 1. So whenever port number 1 is shorted, this is the condition that we have already obtained, where Vs is V2, port 1 shorted, so V1 is 0, this current is I1 dash, and the ratio that we want is V2 or Vs divided by I1 dash. So we will substitute the same conditions in the original equations. And the original equations are these. So this equation will now become V2 is Vs, V1 is 0 and I1 is minus of I1 dash. And the ratio that we wanted is Vs divided by I1 dash. And here we have got it, Vs divided by I1 dash is equal to B dash. Now, this is ratio number 1, which is one voltage and another current or another port current. Similarly, this is voltage at port number 2 and current at port number 1. So these two ratios have to be same for satisfying the reciprocity property. So we can equate both, and when we equate both, this B dash and B dash will get cancelled and we will get the same ratio which we got for ABCD parameters. Remember, these are A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash parameters, means they are inverse transmission parameters. So when we equate both, the equation that we will get is what I am going to write now. So this is the reciprocity condition. So this is about the reciprocity condition. For symmetry condition, if you refer to the video of ABCD parameters, because they are quite similar. For ABCD parameters, the symmetry condition was A equal to D. So by following the same procedure, we can prove that here it comes to be A dash equal to D dash. So this is left as an exercise and the result is exactly same. So this is symmetry condition and this is reciprocity condition. So this is all about this topic. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda and please subscribe to Ekeeda. Thank you.